But the skipper satisfied with the sea trials, meaning we're not sinking, we head upstream. Then Croc Boy starts pointing out a huge number of big croc slides.
Croc slide over here, mate. He could be a decent-sized crocodile, this one.
You know, if a croc has a guard, it's you guys have got to save the skipper.
No,
Skipper goes down with the boat, doesn't he?
That's it.
Oh,
I think it's every man for itself, isn't it?
pirates go down with their boat, or they like hell no?
They just stab everyone and push them in front.
There's a croc. See the croc?
Yep. Roper Bar Crossing, mate. Basically, it's the gateway to Arnhem Land.
Definitely. What a cracker of a spot.
How you going, Jess?
Nice river, isn't it?
Very cool. Mate, you happy to come for a ride?
More than happy, buddy. More than happy.
Good to have you along, mate.
So the crew are heading north of Roper Bar up into Arnhem Land. Join them for the adventure.
Mate, we got a turn off somewhere here. Here we go. That looks like our little track.
No difference the country yet in here.
It's pretty cool sort of country. Oh, well, we'll see what happens. We got a fair haul down this track. The track runs along the edge of a huge wetland system. The bird life here is stunning. Good looking country around here, mate. Look at that waterhole.
Oh, this place is sensational looking. We're going to have some fun exploring this joint. There's a dingo just there. Trying to get close to him. Look at him. He's a healthy one too, isn't he? Look at him.
Nice looking, nice orange one.
He's a cracker. Look at that. Oh, he's gorgeous.
Young one, I think.
Have a look at that.
There's even a little island out there, mate.
Yeah, Jess and I just been looking on the map here. There's all sorts of stuff going on. Inlets and marshy looking country, and looks good.
You gotta love it going to the beach, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Oh well, let's find a campsite. Day 2. We wake and plan to head north up the coast to a couple of creek systems. How's the track look? I'll wait here, see if you make it.
I'm out, and the beach is looking great. Oh, you smoked it in.
Yeah, it's a little bit soft, but I made it.
Too easy.
All right, let's rock and roll then.
Look at this beach, mate. There's not another wheel track on it. Oh, it's a track. Oh, it's a buffalo track, though.
Is he in four-wheel drive?
Oh, have a go at that.
What have you found?
Have a go at this stuff. It's like a little yacht made out of bamboo. I'm telling you.
I reckon we got to go and get that in the water, mate. Give it or at least get it in the creek and go for a fish off it. Check that thing out.
Mate, that's epic.
How cool's that? Oh, mate, that looks like something out of Indo, for sure.
It's even got a number on it, mate. Look.
No, that's the ship name, isn't it?
KBN1.
There's even, look back here. There's even an anchor. There's no mucking around.
So this has come from an island where, seriously, they do not have anchors. Our old mate couldn't afford an anchor.
He couldn't afford a boat.
Either. But look at the work that's gone into that, tying it up. Like, seriously. What I find real fascinating is nearly every single piece is still got all the chop marks with a machete. They weren't even cut.
All right, let's tie it to the back of the trailer.
All right, mate, gentle, and see what happens. Nice and gentle. We've got movement. We have movement. Looking good. Just stop for a sec.
I reckon the rope's probably a bit.
The strap would be better.
And we strap it, like, you know, and just sort of squeeze it around where those boards are and tow it nicely.
Get it nice and short.
Yeah. Give her a whirl.
Holding together.
It's great. Look at that.
Might have some life left in it after all.
Told you didn't need to bring the tinny.
No.
Let's get her to the drink.
What are we going to call her?
Oh, I'm no good with names.
We need something tough, like Jase. No? Oh, okay. Barney. Barney the barnacle boat.
Perfect.
All right.
It's even got B in the KBN. Barnacle it is.
So who's going to be the captain and who's going to be first mate?
I found it. I'm skipper. I found
Shotgun! Where's your patch?
Too slow,
You're going to have to wear a patch. We decide to drag the now MV Barney north to a creek system for relaunching. things you find on the beach. Over the years, I have seen truckloads of that bamboo on the beach, and I always wondered, you know, what do they do with that bamboo? That's what they do with it. It looks like a bit of a creek here, mate, but I don't know whether we're going to get enough water out of it to float it. Without enough water, we decide to head south again to a larger creek system we know will work. Hey, keep your eyes peeled for something that sort of we can use as a transom, mate.
Yes, I've been looking.
Can you get to the creek from there? Because it's getting a little bit boggy there. You want to move out of there and let me drive up there, because that's the deepest part of the water, just to your left-hand side.
Just stop for a sec, Jase. I think we need to jump out and survey and have a bit of a think about how we're going to get this in the water before we pull up again. You're stoked and now I'm stoked. I'm stoked too. You've blocked my exit.
Oh.
Now, stop it for you. I reckon we need to disconnect the raft there. Make a plan.
Go, 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 go. No, 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 no. Very bad. Get your winch out. We've got an incoming tide. Get your winch out. We need to get you up on this is hard.
Yeah.
And then you turn.
Once I get momentum, I might be able to shoot out of there.
Scoot through there.
Because my trailer looks way too hard to get off.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's working. That's working good. You reckon you sneak through there?
If I'm lucky.
All right. He's good. He's out.
Got it.
Free. Good on you, Max. The hell is that?
What do you got?
Have we go with this? What do you reckon? Is that going to make it a transom?
We just try and we'll attach it with ratchet straps.
Latch him on.
Bit of chainsaw.
Need to trim this, yeah.
Bit of chainsaw work. Make a little well there.
Yeah, make a
motor
little
pop
outboard
into.
well.
Well, I reckon that's made for the job.
It's built for it, isn't it?
Perfect. So we'll use 2 winches. Wow, same old story. You got 1, you got 2, twice as good. So we just get a double pull going, tracks under the back, we'll get this sucker out.
Ready when you are.
Alrighty.
Feel the power!
Let the winches take up the slack again.
This all time. How good's Jesse? Normally I'm out there doing what he's doing. This is great. I think we need him all the time.
Alrighty. We're out!
We're out.
We're out, buddy. Good job.
We're out, mate. Good job, mate.
job.
What did we learn from this?
Absolutely nothing. So out of the bog now, it's refit time on MV Barney. Now, old mate and Indo, if you're watching, look away now. Mate, hopefully the insurance money comes through. Anyway, it's just a couple of small mods. I reckon, so if we can get that flush there, that transom height needs to be about there, because if you look at that height from the ground, which will be the water, how does she sit?
Mate, you couldn't have found a better transom, I reckon, seriously.
Look at that, eh?
Bamboo raft, Mark II.
The guy who built this would be having kittens if he saw us doing this to his pride and joy. It's pretty sturdy.
That ain't coming off.
Nope.
Now we just have to get it into the water and see if Barney floats. G'day guys, this video is brought to you today by the Boss Shadow 270 XL from Campos 4x4. Today I want to show you the new awning from Campos 4x4. Now this is a 270, so it wraps around 270 degrees and it's a freestanding full A-frame awning. What I'll do is I'll set the thing up and I'll show you how easy it is to set up by yourself. We'll do the back section first. Now I've already got the little hooky things here. Now these have a little ratchet on the end of them. So I just clip that onto the end here, like that. And pretty much you just pull that ratchet, nice and tight. You set the front bit up. Same setup, just hook that on the end there. Pull your ratchet, like that, pull it nice and tight. Like that, okay? It's got 3 LED lights, 1 in each of the arms. It's got a zipper in the back here, so that zipper is to allow you access to a rooftop tent. And that's pretty much it. Anyway, that's enough from me. Keep checking out the video. Keep him coming right in. Keep him coming right in, right in.
Bring him round.
That's it, that's it, that's it, that's it.
Hold
Forward.
it straight there.
So now, the moment of truth.
Is it floating?
It's floating. It's actually floating right there.
Awesome.
Just drop him down, that's it.
Oh, look at that. Doing that engineer stuff or what?
All right.
Ready?
Steady as she goes, skipper. All right, mate, because you're the skipper, remember, the skipper, what happens to the skipper?
He's the boss.
No, you got to wear the patch.
Oh, he's prepared a patch. There we go.
Here we go, buddy. You got to wear the eye patch because you're a proper pirate.
It's a dodgy looking
This is a pirate ship.
Mate, that's the dodgiest looking eye patch I've ever seen.
Oh, you look like a pirate with no hair. You realise we're actually floating on some sort of thing that we found on the beach, eh?
In crocodile infested river.
Yeah. Now, because we're the first mate and you're second mate, and the man down there with the patch is the skipper, or the pirate captain, we need to do what he says. And he says catch fish.
Catch fish.
So let's catch fish, mate.
Let's do that, eh?
Just hope he can catch fish better than he can catch crocodiles.
You bring your swimmers, mate.
You can't throw the skipper overboard. There's no mutiny on this vessel. How are we going to take this home? We're going to have trouble parting with it. We've got attached to it now.
I think we give it a ceremonial burning. What?
No, we just have to put it back on the beach where we found it, eh?
But the skipper satisfied with the sea trials, meaning we're not sinking, we head upstream, then Croc Boy starts pointing out a huge number of big croc slides.
Croc slide over here, mate.
Big one?
Well, let's get up close and have a look, eh?
Jesus, tell you, look at that.
All
Oh,
right.
hang on.
Sure have.
You can actually see the belly marks coming up. So that's probably, well, in fact, it goes over here. It could be a bigger one than we thought. It could be a decent sized crocodile, this one.
You know, if a croc has a guard, it's you guys got to save the skipper.
No, skipper
No, the skipper goes down with the boat, doesn't he?
That's it.
Oh,
I think it's every man for itself, isn't it?
pirates go down with their boat, or they like hell no?
They just stab everyone and push them in front.
There's a croc. See the croc?
Yep.
I tell you what, if I had this back at Noosa, I could charge money and take people out for gondola rides on this afternoon in the Noosa River. I tell you what, I reckon I'd do all right.
With a patch on your eye?
Yep. I don't know how I'd go with rego and insurance and stuff.
Yeah. Queensland? Yeah.
Queensland?
Good luck
Hell
with
no.
that. Simon's gondola tour.
I like it, I want to take it home.
Hey, Jase,
Yeah.
I reckon there'd be quite a few crocs in this river.
Yeah?
I've seen quite a few slides.
Yeah, that's
A lot
true.
of sign of them, you know?
Yeah. Night time is when they'll be out, isn't it?
Yeah, it'd be nice to have a little look with the torch, wouldn't it?
We figure being this low in the water ain't good. Plus, the pirate captain is getting hungry.
We made it. Dry land. Well, let's get out of here, eh?
Well, the vessel was a success, but I don't know, you two can't catch fish to save your lives. Seriously.
It's that time of the night again. And you know what happens at that time of the night? Well, you've got to get the food out. Because we've got the hungry beast waiting over near the fire there. Are you hungry?
Hell yeah.
There you go, see, told you. We've got to cook ourselves a damper, because I tell you what, dampers are easy, and Simon really likes damper. How about we do a mixed berry cream damper? What do you reckon? Self-raising flour, about that much will do. So, just put a bit of flour in the bowl, a couple of handfuls basically, 3 eggs, there you go. I'm just gonna mix them up with a fork, whack them in. Give that a bit of a mix up. Let's grab some of the berries now. So let's drain some of that syrup off, and then we're going to stick some of the berries in. Now it's going to turn our little mixture into a quite sort of purpley looking colour, and you can see that. Mix that up, and just a little bit of cream, about that much cream, and that'll make it nice and sweet and smooth. That's our mixture. Got our mixture in here, bit of oil in there like that, and just give it a bit of a dressing in there. That way she's not going to stick. We whack her in. Now I'm going to give it a little bit of shape here. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm just working it. All right, let's get it happening. Let's head to the fire. And we'll slip her in. There we go, whack the lid on. How long now, mate?
Sweet, buddy, sweet.
That's the go. Now remember, about 20, 25 minutes. It's all about keeping a even temperature. Alrighty, here we go. So I'm gonna pop this sucker off the tray. Once you release that suction, it comes straight off. Now, I'm gonna bust this little sucker open. Look at that, look at those colours. These little crunchy bits. These are like pulling the top off a muffin, that. Simon, you ready? Come over and get some of this, mate. It's gold.
I don't need cooling twice.
Oh, see what you think,
that.
mate? I'm just doing a few little finishing touches here.
Great.
Chuck a little berry on top. Take a little berry on top.
Mate, this is very, what's the word? Smells fancy.
Yeah, all right.
Look at that.
Have a bit of a chew on that. Here, get that knife, mate, because I want to have a crack.
You want some of it too?
Yeah.
You big self. Have you outdone yourself?
Pretty good, eh?
Bloody lovely. Good man. Thanks, bud.
No worries.
Introducing the home of Australian adventure, Unleashed TV. A growing library of content featuring the best of four-wheel driving, fishing, touring, rebuilds, bush cooking, and whatever you call this.
Hope the airbags take up.
Stream entire seasons of the hit TV show All for Adventure.
Get me out of here, boys. Water's coming in.
Unleashed.
Oh, that's tight.
And more original series from Jase and the team.
In this mini-series, we're going to be exploring some of the most remote coastlines.
Plus, get fresh new content exclusive to Unleashed TV subscribers.
Snappers, mate. This is all going on down here, isn't
You
it?
can stream it all for just $9.99 per month.
Yeah!
That's why Unleashed TV is the home of Australian adventure.
Mag's not washing it. He got it. He smoked it.
Oh, yeah!